Jamal, I'm afraid I have some difficult news to share. Due to financial difficulties, the company has to make some tough decisions, and unfortunately, we have to let you go.
What? But I've been working here for years. How am I supposed to support my family?
I understand this is a difficult time, Jamal. We truly appreciate your dedication and hard work, but the company's financial situation leaves us with no other choice.
But it's Ramadan. How can I face my family with this news now?
I wish there was something more we could do, Jamal. Please know that this decision wasn't taken lightly, and we will do whatever we can do to support you during this transition period.
Thank you. I appreciate your honesty, even though it's hard to hear.
Take some time to process this, Jamal. We will provide you with any assistance you need to navigate this challenging time.
O Creator, why this burden in Ramadan? My father lost his job, leaving us refugees with uncertainty. Education doors seem closed. Tales test faith, but I hold on to hope for better days. Allah, give us strength, faith, and wisdom to endure.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Jasmine.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Dad.
My dear, we are so sorry you had to hear about this news.
It's not fair, Dad. Why does this have to happen to us?
We know, sweetheart. We are just as upset about it.
I wish there was something more I could do, Jasmine. We never wanted you to have to worry about these things.
But what about school? How am I supposed to go without money for books and uniforms?
We will figure it out, Jasmine. We will make sure to find out to continue education.
You are our priority, Jasmine. We will do whatever it takes to support you even in the toughest of times.
Okay, Dad and Mom, I trust you.
Zahra, it's an email from Ceuta.
What does it say?
Dear Jamal and Zahra, we are delighted to inform you that Jasmine has been awarded a full scholarship to continue her education at our school, Cobra Secondary. Congratulations. What? This is incredible news, Jasmine. You have been granted a scholarship.
Really? Oh my goodness.
I can't believe it. We won't have to worry about Jasmine's education anymore.
But wait a moment. How did Ceuta know about our situation? How did they know Jasmine needed this scholarship? Oh, wait a minute. It must have been Mr. Roberts.
No way.
Remember when he promised to support us during this transition period?
Your late husband, he must have reached out to Ceuta on our behalf.
What an incredible gesture. We owe him so much. Indeed, this month of Ramadan has shown us Allah's blessings in unexpected ways. We are grateful for the kindness of Ceuta and especially for the support of Mr. Roberts, who has truly been a blessing to our family.
That's beautiful, husband. Mr. Robert has truly been an angel to us.
Yes, Dad. Ramadan has brought us so many blessings, even in the midst of our struggles.
Let's remember to pray for Mr. Roberts and for all those who have helped us along the way. Their kindness has shown us the true meaning of community and compassion.
Oh, welcome Jamal and Jasmine. We are thrilled to have you join us here at Cobra Secondary School.
Thank you. We are grateful for this opportunity. But I must admit, I'm worried about how Jasmine will fit in here. Our family holds Islamic beliefs very close to our hearts.
I understand your concerns, Jamal. However, I want to assure you that our schools, both primary and secondary, value and respect the diverse backgrounds and beliefs of all our students.
Ceuta is an organization dedicated to empowering young people like Jasmine, regardless of their backgrounds. We believe in providing access to quality education for all children. especially those who have experienced trauma or conflict affected.
Thank you, Siora, for supporting Jasmine on her educational journey. Your commitment to providing opportunities for refugee children like her is truly commendable.
We understand the importance of preserving cultural and religious identities, especially during Ramadan. Rest assured, we have accommodations in place to support Jasmine's needs during this sacred month with our Muslim classmates.
Wow, thanks for your understanding. It really means a lot to us. Thank you.
You're welcome, Jamal. As at Ceuta, we celebrate diversity and unity. And as we are starting the Eid al-Fitr, we will keep embracing the spirit of generosity and compassion towards our Muslim community, and most especially our students, staff, donors, and Ceuta friends.
May Allah bless Ceuta and donors for changing my story today. Ramadan Mubarak. Ramadan Mubarak.